Hi guys, this is Shaheer Ahmad, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own breadcrumb control. In order to get started, we will first need a solution. If we don't have one, let's create one and give it a name like component library demo. You guys can select a publisher. If you don't have one, you can create one as well. And then click on create solution. Once the solution is created, it will navigate us into it. Now we will go ahead and click on the new button in the ribbon, go into more and select component library. Once we are inside our component library, you guys can see we have a default created component. Rename this component. And then we will resize it to make it easier for us to develop. I'll keep the height 40 and the width appropriately divided by 2 for now. Click on insert and then we will search horizontal gallery. I will add in a blank horizontal gallery. Make sure the X and Y location are set to 0. Make sure the width and height is also responsive with the container. And then I will go ahead in the settings, go to updates and turn on modern controls. Click on close, edit our gallery template, and insert a button. I will change the button type to transparent, make its X and Y axis to 0, and set the width and height with respect to the gallery template. Same for the height. And then I'll go ahead and set the template size. To make it look more like a breadcrumb, we will add an icon. I'll go with this one and place the icon after the text. And now you can see that we have our scroll bar. To get rid of it, I'll remove the template padding. And for the template size, I'll set it to self.width divided by self.all items count. As you can see, it is now looking something like a breadcrumb. And then we will go ahead and add a custom property. We will name it items and make sure our type is input and the data type is table. Click on create. And in the items, we will now define a table which will define our breadcrumb items. We will add a display name and a unique key and add in a few rows. I'll just format the text. And then for the gallery items, I will set it to parent.items. Then edit a template, select the button, and for the button text, I will set it to this item.display name. We will make sure that in the settings, we have this enhanced component properties enabled. And then we will go ahead and click on new custom property. Add in a property for on select. Make sure the data type is event. Click on create. We will add in a new custom property. Name it selected item. The data type will be data. The property definition will be output. And the data type will be record. Click on create. I will go ahead and select my button. And on select of it, I will set it to component dot on select. This will call our event whenever a button is selected. And for the selected item, I will go ahead and add gallery 1 dot selected. I will save a component library. Give it a name. Click on save. I'll go in the screens. Click on insert. And in the custom, you will be able to see our breadcrumb control. I'll add it. Now our breadcrumb control is ready. We can configure it via our items property, and we can even navigate based on the selected item on select. What we can do is add in the screen, and to test, I'll go ahead and add in a switch statement. And navigate. I'll go ahead and select home, which will navigate us back. I will click on save. And publish our component library so that we can use this component in other applications. Thank you for watching.